Hi guys, it's me Shibi. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the HH DBG11 Hurom slow juicer switch, power switch. New switch you can purchase it from online or authorized service center. As you can see the switch along with the long wire. If I need to fix the switch along with the wire, it will take long procedure, so that's why I just remove the wire from the switch, then we will fix the switch only in 5 minutes. When you remove the power switch knob, be carefully because you are using sharp knife, that's why there is a possibility for the scratches. After remove the power switch knobs, you can see the actual switch. Then keep in mind the direction of the switch. Reverse button will be downside, the on button should be in upside. So just keep in mind the switch directions. Just pull out. Once you pull out the power button, you can see 3 color of wires. The red color related with the reverse, then blue color related with the on side. So you have to careful about the direction of switch and wires. After remove the cables from the switch, okay, from the switch, this is the old switch. We need to make the lock clear. First of all, press here the opposite direction, press here the opposite direction, okay, 3 of them, okay. Now we're gonna fix the new switch, okay. So the blue color should be with the on side, okay, it's locked. The center side should be white, the last one reverse side red. Okay, now the switches are locked. Also make sure that switch it's locked with the wire, okay. After just keep like this, make sure the on button side will be upper side, the reverse will be down side. Make sure that, okay, it's locked. Now it's locked. Hurom HH SBG11 power switch you can replace in 5 minutes without open all the machine. So it's very simple. Now the switch is working perfectly. Okay, thank you for watching.